Marcus, let's check this question out. This is a good one. We have 7y over 6y minus 24 plus 7y over 10y minus 40. What we're going to do right away, we're adding fractions, so we need common denominators here, but I have no idea what that is. So let's factor these denominators out, and that'll give us some idea as to what the LCD is. So I have 7y, and here I'm going to factor out the 6 from both terms, and that's going to give me y minus 4. Plus 7y, I'm going to do the second one now, and I'll factor out a 10, y minus 4. Okay? So we can kind of see that the LCD here would be, that the LCD really would be like 30 bracket y minus 4, right? Really, that's the lowest number that both of these will go into. 6 and 10, they both go into 30. So we could ask ourselves, okay, if I take a look at, let me just highlight, if I take a look at this guy here, what do I need to multiply that by to get 30? Well, the answer is 5. 5 over 5, right? Because 6 times 5 is 30, and all of this is factored. We'll just leave it in the brackets anyway. So that's great. We'll do that. Over here, I'm going to multiply by 3 over 3 to get the LCD. Again, 10 times 3 will give us 30. So let's do that, and I got to make some more room before I do. Okay. So up top, 7y times 5 is 35y. And on the bottom, we have 6 times 5 is 30 times y minus 4. This is why factoring is so great, because we can just leave it in factors and deal with other numbers. Now on the top up here, we're going to have 21y. And again, we'll have our LCD, 30 times y minus 4. Now we have common denominators, so we can simply add the numerators. 35 plus 21 is 56y over 30 times y minus 4. Now we're done. This is our answer, but it's not in lowest terms. So let's reduce this guy a little bit. And again, because these are, everything is in factors right now, everything is being multiplied, like we have 56 kind of times y and 30 times y minus 4, we can do this. We can just factor or cancel things. So if I reduce this fraction, let's take half of the top number and half of the bottom number. Half of 56 is 28 over 15, bracket y minus 4. That's still there, of course. Okay, so there it is now. Now it's in lowest terms, and that is our answer. So I hope that helps you. But when in doubt, factor it out. Factor it out. Factor those denominators. Come up with the LCD. And by the way, if you didn't come up with 30 bracket y minus 4, you said 60, it's still a common denominator. It's not the lowest, but it's still a common denominator. And then you would just have some more reducing to do at this stage. So you're not necessarily wrong. Just make sure you reduce completely. All right? Thanks.